Happy Monday! Good afternoon, guys! Ang dami nang naganap dito sa bahay. Pero ngayon pa ako nag-open ng vlog. Si Jan nakapag-load ng 3 labahan. Yung mga damit niya kasi, yung pang-work niya, ayan, na-low-bat. Oh, pinalitan ko na. Palit lang tayo ng battery, guys, kasi na-low-bat. So, yun nga, si Jan, yung pang-work niya kasi, iba din naman yung load nun. Tapos, yung damit ng mga bata at saka damit namin. So, 3 load siya. And, bumili na siya ng tinapay. Meron tong rolls kanina. Kumain na silang salami and may tira kaming sausages. So, yun yung lunch nila. And, nag-pancake din sila. Hugog pancakes! Kuya or Zach? Zach. Kasi nandun ako sa, ayun yung pinaglutuan nila. Doon ako sa aking live sale kasi nga nag-invoicing ako, tinapos ko. So, ngayon, nag-check na lang ako ng payments para ma-print ko yung labels and para ma-ship ko mamayang hapon. So, yun yung aking gawin. Si Holly dito, hindi ko lang kung makaka-copyright tayo. Ayan siya. And ayan yung mga dito sa loob, nakasampay. And ayan si Holly. Nasa Reels, guys, ang galing niya sumayaw. Tapos, meron din tayo doon na mga sinampay. Yung mga boys ang nagsampay niyan kanina. So, yan yung mga nangyari nung hindi pa ako nag-open ng vlogs, guys. Na-busy din kasi ako doon sa aking live selling. Magka-copyright ako dito, Baba. Lagyan ko na lang ng music. What song is this one? Ha? Beautiful Things? And si Kuya na, ay si Sak nasa laptop ni Kuya.
Would he pray on my weakness? Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you're innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow.
You have to face us, Baba.
Yellow, you had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Better. Making me lose my mind. Lose my mind, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. You like I?
Well done! So, kailangan ko yung lagyan ng music. Beautiful Things yung song. Love you! Punta sila sa big shed. Ayan si Sakayon. Alis sila. See ya. Okay, mag-ship muna ako, guys. 4:30 na. Gagamitin ko yung car ni Jan. Kasi, yung car namin, yung car ko, inano niya na yung guys, winashing niya na kasi gagamitin namin sa Wednesday para ito yung ating caravan. Ayun, ilagay niya lang yung mga isi-ship ko. And bukas mag-ship pa ako. Yung mga nagbayad lang yan ngayon. What's going on? Okay. Make sure you are here when the lady comes. Kasi merong merong Pilipina na taga dito lang. Kaya so sabi ko, isi-ship ko pa ba to or pick upin mo na lang. Sabi niya mga 3 to 4 daw, ialis tayo. So sabi ko kay Jan, siya na lang magbigay. Oh, nasa na yung kasi nandiyan naman si Kuya. Okay, alis na tayo guys. Now guys, sa post office. Okay, uwi na tayo and kumuha ko ng declaration forms kasi naubusan na tayo. Meron ko doon na international. Kailangan ko yan i-fill up. Okay. Dito na tayo guys. Ang crowded ng aming parking dito guys. Puno. One, yung isang car ni Jan, and yung caravan. Okay, 5:04 na. Magluluto na mi. Luto na mi. Oops. Oops. Hi. My God, I didn't know you were there, honey. hindi ko alam na nandyan siya.
No one come.
No one come? Oh, wala raw dumating. Oh, baka mamaya dumating siya.
Here's your phone.
Ah, yeah, please. Yung isa kong phone, yung black. Thank you. Where are you going? Ah, alagay niya na sa garage. May bisita si Sak, si Taj. Dito matutulog si Taj. Mag-sleep over. Sleep over siya. Siya naman yung mag-sleep over dito sa bahay. You're not hungry, Han? Hindi raw siya gutom. Pero lutuin ko na to. Okay. Kumuha rin akong spring rolls. You had 2 rolls?
Why is the bread all like that?
I don't know. Ask your kids. Spring rolls. Yung niya.
We'll just have spring rolls, not steak.
You don't want steak? I have to cook this one because it's been there for 2 days now. I have to cook it.
Shower, I'm gonna shower later. Yeah.
Kuya. The spring rolls is with veggies.
I'll be right.
Is it the mixed one too?
Yeah, there's mince and then veggies.
Yeah, I like them.
Hindi sila gutom mga guys. Hindi sila gutom kasi ang dami nilang kinain kanina. May binili si Jan na rolls na malalaki na ubos na. Nagsalami sila tapos may sausage na tira and nag-pancake sila kanina din na umaga. So bahala sila. Basta ako magluluto ako. Kung magutom sila, pwede silang kumain. Si Jan, diet daw siya. Nakadalawa kasi siyang rolls. Malalaki pa naman yun. Yung nakita nyo na yung malalaking parang burger. Yan ko lang to na. Oil. Olive oil. Sana talaga barbecue to yung may flavor. Hindi yung Yes. Oh, this is good, Han. The barbecue. Ayan. Ay. Okay. Ang lamig niya pa. Bango. Siyempre, galing sa ref. Yung thermometer. Okay, okay. Lagay tayong apron. Kasi tatalsik to. Eh, nag-text na sa akin yung yung Pilipina na taga dito lang din malapit sa amin. Kauwi niya lang daw galing work. Kung pwede lang pick up. Sabi ko, yes. Pwede na. Sabi ni Jan, wala akong alam na may Pilipina dito malapit sa atin. Sabi ko, wow. Sabi ko, Pilipina kaya kasi nag-text siyang Tagalog. Sabi ko, she must be a Filipina. Alam mo naman si Jan, kilala niya ang lahat ng tao dito sa lugar namin. Ayun siya guys, oh. Malalaki. Oh my God, this is your son. Look! Dalawa lang yung kasya. Ayan, dalawa lang yung kasya. Gamitan natin siya nito. Kasi tumatalsik. Ayan. And dagdagan ko to ng oil. Ito yung pinagprituan ko yun ng ano yun? Spring rolls. Ganyan talaga ang kulay niya, guys. Ayan yan yung oil niya. Oh. Lagyan ko ulit. Kasi plano ko magluto ng fish balls. Ganyan ko na. Pick up na pala yung order. Yung Filipina na sabi niyan, wala raw siyang kilalang Filipina malapit dito sa amin. So, tinanong ko, kamumove lang pala nila last week from New South Wales. And binigyan niya kami nito para raw sa mga bata. Thank you! Ang bait niya naman. Thank you. Masarap to. Yung Biscoff na biscuit. Manipis lang siya. Crunchy. Kamusta na yung ating steak? Ayan. Umuwi muna si Taj para maligo. Sabi ko dito siya mag-dinner. Sabi niya, doon daw siya sa bahay mag-dinner. Sabi ko, okay. Okay na to. Kain tayo nitong bigay ni neighbor. Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Masarap to eh. Ayan, manipis lang siya. Ay, naputol. Ayan. Yung lotus, oh. Sarap. Kung nagko-coffee kayo, mas masarap to sa coffee. Tingnan mo na yung... Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, hindi pa siya mainit? Kasi tingnan nyo, nasa zero pa siya, pero umuusok na, sabi ni Jan. Very cheap daw to. So, mainit na siya, pero hindi ko may lalagay yung ating spring roll kasi sasabog ang ating lumpia wrapper. So, pinatay ko muna. Hindi na nag-work yung thermometer niya. Bakit? Naligo na si Zach para sa kanyang...
undies.
Are you wearing undies? Ayan, parang nag-work na siya. Tinanggal ko tapos tinaktak. Ay, ayan na naman. Hindi na naman nag-work. Bumalik siya sa 60. Ano ba yan? Wala. Bumalik siya sa 0, guys. Wala na. Sira na talaga siya. Pero maglagay na tayo. Kasi mainit na yan. Ang ganda ng ating spring rolls. Nagdagan ko pa to. And last one na tong barbecue stick na niluluto natin dito. And frozen pa to. Pinatay ko yan. Hindi na yan naka-on. Pinatay ko muna yung ating exhaust fan. Kasi hindi nyo marinig. Tapos na yung ating steak. Yung barbecue steak. Ilalagay na lang yan sa plate. And kakainin nila yan with ano lang, bread. With just bread. May konting rice pa. Meron pa ako yung konting rice. Hindi ako nagluto ng rice kasi wala na tayong rice. Tapos matapos yan. Okay, last 3. Tatlo lang pala siya, kaya malalaki. Ayan na. Hindi siya kalaki. So, tatlo lang. Si Jan ayaw kumain. Yung mga bata lang. Sobra-sobra pa to sa kanila. May spring rolls pa. And ako magluluto ang fish balls. Okay. Ibabad ko na to kasi the dikit is real. Ayan, pinapakulang ko muna siya dyan sa tubig para lumambot yung mga dikit. Malapit na maluto yung ating spring rolls. Meron tayo ditong squid balls and fish balls. Walang kikiam. So, ito na yung next. So, ito na yung last. Okay, next yung fish balls. Nalagay ko na dyan yung squid balls. Lagyan natin ito dito. Kuha tayo ng paglalagyan natin ng squid balls tsaka fish balls kasi naglutangan na sila, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Ready na yan kasi umangat na sila. Oh! Puputo ka pa. Ayan. Nagsilutangan na sila. And si Jan tsaka si Holly naglalarong cards. Ito, dikit to. Sana masarap. Parang ang dami nating squid balls. Ito na yung fish balls. So, yung fish ball nasa ilalim pa siya. So, yan, fish ball. And ito, hinintay ko lang tulo yung kanyang excess oil para malagay na natin siya sa kanyang lalagyan. Punasan muna natin yung mga talsik. Ito, ilagay ko na ito dito. Sana masarap kasi ang dami. Ang dami nito. Sana kumain yung mga bata. Hindi pa nila ito na-try. Malapit na rin ito pa kasi umaangat-angat na sila. So, okay na ito kasi naglitawan na po sila. Ayan. Tadan! Sana kumain sila kasi ang dami nito. And pinunasan ko na. And tinanggal ko na yung pinakulang kong tubig. Dun sa skillet na sa natin minuto yung barbecue steak. Ay, bakit ko ito ilalagay dyan? Dito muna sila. Para tumulo yung mga excess oil. Patayin na natin ito. Ito yung fish balls. Hindi naman nagkakala yung itsura nila. Sana masarap. Narinig si Holly? Ang ingay ni Holly, girl. Ay! Naguhulugan sila. Uy! Hinihintay kong tumulo yung excess oil dun sa fish balls. Do you want me to butter this one, Baba?
Yes, please, Mom.
Who wants bread? Zach, do you want bread? How about you, Kuya? No? No, thanks. Okay. So, what you gonna eat? Ah, rice. Okay. Try the squid balls. It's good.
Where's it from?
Shops.
Yeah, but
Coles.
it's not Australian though.
Oh.
I know it's from Australian though.
Oh, Zachary! My God, we're short. But it tastes good though. No? I'll try the fish.
No way.
Fish balls?
Yeah. Zachary, wear shorts. Please.
Where's fish?
You don't like it? Hindi ko sinabi na galing yan sa atin, Manila.
Can I say?
Di mo sisa.
Yeah, that's a good one.
I know.
Mom, can you get... Oh,
Okay. Oh, di ba? Kumain pa rin si Jan. Nakakain na siya ng isa. What? So, ayaw nilang bread. How about you, Baba? You want bread, right?
Mate.
No, I'll just have that.
Bread? Okay.
Yes, please, Mommy. I want to have
No, I'll have that.
Diba? Puti na lang niluto ko. Ayaw-ayaw pa sila.
Why don't you give that egg? Oh, no, it's not finished. You're supposed to see. Yeah, true.
Good.
We've got schnitzels and all that. in the
Yes. Do you want that tomorrow? Schnitzel?
Do you know what we're having the first night, Mum?
What?
Chicken tender wraps.
Where?
Berry?
A berry?
Yeah.
fridge. Chicken tender wraps.
Okay. I got wraps there. Do I have to bring that one?
Buy them chicken tenders
Yeah, and then fry it.
and put them in there.
You want me to bring this? No.
Excuse me, I was there.
I'll have to go.
Do you want bread, Sat?
Yes, please.
How about you? Ah, rice pala si Kuya. Rice si Kuya. Alam nyo naman yan si Kuya. Rice is life. No? Okay.
Yeah, rice.
Alright. Here you go, Baba.
Where's my steak?
Okay, here. Tell me. This one? Do you want me to cut it by piece? Ako lang ang kakain ng squid balls, tsaka fish balls. Do you wanna try? Try it.
enjoy
Kuya, be careful there, please.
Careful.
Try this one.
No, why?
Why?
Ayaw nila
You
ng...
eat it.
Si Jan, atis kumain ng
You eat a
isa.
little bit.
Yeah, ayaw nila ng fishball. So ako lahat ang kakain niya.
gross.
You try. You will like it.
Hey,
Cut that there.
hey, Mom.
Please.
Hey.
Quick, go.
This one?
Then that's all the rice.
Do you want me to cut it?
Is there more rice? Yeah.
Do you want more rice? Do we still have rice, Kuya? Yeah, they got rice.
Hmm?
Careful, ha? Inurong ko naman yung
Mom,
toy.
did I say I broke this?
I know, I saw it. Mayroong nabali.
No, but I was getting the rice. It was a full one and it just snapped.
Well, you don't have to dig that deep.
I didn't dig deep.
Naputol yung aking wooden spoon.
Exposed!
Okay, Baba. Here you go, ha? Baba.
Thank you for that.
What's that? Ah, yeah. This is yours.
And the knife.
Here you go, Baba. So, ito na yung dinner nila.
Yeah?
Wednesday.
Ako may sauce ako dyan.
Where you going?
Punta siya kay Joe.
Where vinegar?
Binigay, yes, I
Say
do.
like that tonight, Tom?
But when you fiber, Holly,
Not
now the
yet.
bread shouldn't look like that. It should be all straight.
Ayaw
Why
niya
is it all
Babaliktad na yung kanyang...
Dad, are you the last one ever?
like?
Wala, suka.
That's not on with you?
Nah.
Why?
All right, yeah, you can come. Tars can just sit here and do nothing.
That's right. Kasi darating si Touch Up.
Now, come down.
Nah.
Here.
Sophie's working.
No,
Sophie?
Yes, she is. She's
Working
totally
where?
working.
Ah, nag-work si Sophie sa salon ni mami niya. And meron ako dito, squid balls. Try, it's more, babe. Meron ako?
Like that.
I'm not gonna use
It's
that one.
handy.
So, meron ako dito, fish ball, sweet sauce, and chili. Fish ball, spicy pa rin, not chili, spicy. Nandun na kay stock yung isa kong lalagyan. Siya.
Well, how can I reach?
Turn it off.
Ha?
See that?
See your shiny car.
Yeah, here, my car is so shining. Pinalish niya naman yung car. Tapos uulan pa nag-drive kami papuntang Berry. Ito yung squid ball. Masarap lang, ha? Fish ball. You wanna try? Which one?
Okay. Give me some.
Because I won't like it.
Yeah. You will like it.
Ah.
Half, because I don't want you to waste it. Ito.
Oh, shit, no.
Niluloko niya talaga ako.
No, I'm just how you put the grapes and they're frozen around. No, it's tangulu.
That's ang ulo.
What they had on there. A lot of people in hospital from that.
Oh, no, not that one.
Have a look then.
Okay. Hala, wala nang spring rolls.
Any more?
No more.
I have one.
Hala, kinulang tayo. Ilan ba niluto ko, guys?
Everyone
Ito
has
yung first ko eh. Kala ko nga hindi kayo kakain eh.
Because I grabbed two at the time. Because I grabbed like how much I wanted.
What ba? Vinegar?
Yeah.
Here. Diba? Yun nga lang, wala akong kaagaw sa fishball tsaka squid balls.
that?
He grabbed that before. Ano ba niluto ko? Hindi ko binilang. Alam ko marami yun.
I only have one. It's so good.
Ang sarap ng spring rolls siya.
Mom, can I fold mine?
Yeah. Nabusog na ako, guys.
No. My bad.
Right now.
Nice.
Bukas, hopefully makapagpabook ako ng SNS bukas. And pag may mga bumayad, magsiship ulit ako bukas. And what else? Bila ko ng rice, punta tayo ng Coles, saglit. Tingnan ko, ask ko si John kung anong kailangan niya. Okay. Wala pa si Taj.
Shower?
Naligo lang yung si Taj. Kain muna kami. Done? Tapos na siya. Full? Si Sak gustong gumawa na tanggulo na what? Microwave. Yung microwave niya. Tapos binalita ngayon, may batang na lapnos yung paa dahil sa tanggulo kasi microwave niya lang. Tapos sobrang init. So siguro na drop niya. And ayun, nasa hospital.
Ice water.
I made that on December, remember?
And Christmas.
And Christmas, gumawa ako nun eh. Kaso pag dapat kainin siya, yung sugar siya guys na dinidip yung, yung fruits. So para tumigas siya yung parang yung sugar candy. And dapat kainin siya right away. Kasi para crunchy. Pero pag naumaga na siya, nagme-melt siya. So si Sak gusto niya nga gumawa sa microwave. Kasi ko wag kasi sobrang init niya. Sabi niya, alam niya raw parang gumawa. 8 minutes lang. Kasi ko no. Tapos ngayon balita, yun nga. What happened to the girl? Hoy! What happened to the girl?
Oh,
What?
she got a toffee got on her foot.
I know. And then,
She had to go to hospital.
she couldn't work for how many weeks?
4 weeks.
4 weeks. Dumikit yung niya, dumikit yung mga niya, yung
Mom, I don't want to start.
yung paa niya.
Cooked it in, Mom.
Yes. Yung mga daliri niya sa paa, dumikit.
Is that how you
Kasi
know?
naanuhan siya.
Mine's a bit cold.
Natapunan siya ng kumukulong asukal. Diyos ko, ang init mo.
I'm taller than you now.
No, I don't think so. No, you're tippy-toeing. Oh, see?
No, but you're in shoes.
Oh.
About here.
Si Kuya tapos na rin.
Good spring rolls.
Nagustuhan niyo yung spring rolls. Hindi niya naubos yung steak. Binalik niyo dito.
It's in cordial now.
Okay, that's yours. So, yan. Hindi ko yung mauubos. Maglinis na ulit ako. Hugas ulit. After mag-cook. Si Holly, may konting steak. Sayang nito, kainin natin to. Dito na pala si Taj. Anong oras na? 7:20. So, we're gonna close the vlog na guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Kuya, can you close the vlog? Please? Huh? Close the vlog.
Hey, look, it's starting getting it soon. Next vlog.
Please like.
Please like, subscribe. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you on the next vlog.
Good night, guys. Good night, Zach. Holly, Taj. Yun na nga, guys. Yun na yung vlog natin. Yun lang yung ganap natin for today. And I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.